In the heart of Willowbrook, a dragon named Puff lived peacefully, except for his terrible hay fever. One sunny morning, as villagers prepared for the annual pie contest, Puff wandered in, nose twitching. Suddenly, with a mighty achoo, pies flew into the air, hats soared off heads, and laundry lines danced away. The mayor's wig landed on a rooster, and the town square erupted in laughter. Instead of scolding Puff, the villagers invited him to judge the best pie. After all, his sneezes mixed all the flavors together perfectly.